Welcome everyone. This is Barkha from Raining Arts. Today I am going to decoupage this wooden plank to make it a key holder. I am going to use black and cream colors only to give it a vintage look. I got this plank from Michael's. On the bottom part I am going to give it a crackle effect. For the base coat I am using black acrylic paint. Always use a dark color for the base coat so that the cracks are visible. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please make sure to click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss my other videos. I'm putting more color directly. Now I'll just avoid the upper part to get painted black. Now I'll use a heat gun to speed up the drying process. You can also leave it overnight to dry. I'm just marking it with pencil so that my birds don't get the glue. Now I will apply white glue. I am using school glue. You can use any other white glue. I am applying a thin coat of glue because I want smaller cracks. For big cracks, you need to apply a thick layer of glue. Just gently spread it all over the black color where you want the effect. Don't let your glue dry. Now I will apply some cream acrylic paint before the glue is dry. Just do it gently, just that you don't pull over the glue. I'll heat dry it again. Can you see the cracks are becoming visible? I'll give you a closer look. Wow, they look pretty. Can you see now? Now I'm applying mold bows on the upper part where I want my napkin decoupage. I am going to use the iron-on method, so I put glue on the whole surface and let it dry completely. Cover the whole surface and dry the glue. This is my napkin. Just remove the extra plies from it. Lay your napkin on it. parchment paper and use an iron to stick the napkin. Gently press the iron. Make sure all the corners are completely done. This is the best method. It don't leave any wrinkles or napkin tear. And if you see any corners are not stick properly, you can put the parchment paper again and do it again. Remove the excess napkin with sanding block. I'm using file to remove napkin from corners and the parts where my block cannot reach. I am using fabric dimensional paint to make the bird's eyes. I am using dimensional one to make the eyes pearly. You can use any other paint if you like. Look at the eyes. It looks pearly. Now I will apply 3 coats of varnish. Make sure to dry in between the coats. I am using gloss finish. If you like, you can also use matte finish. Now I cut 3 equal pieces from a chopstick to make hooks. I painted these black. I drilled hole and glued the hooks in. I am not very handy with the drilling part, so I did this off camera. Now use some twine to make a little bow. Look how beautiful this turned out. I had so much fun making this with you. Comment me below what kind of crafts would you like to see next. Happy crafting!